Most drivers only think about their brakes when something feels wrong. By then, wear is already advanced. In this video, we'll break down how braking systems actually degrade over time, how to recognize early warning signs before they become expensive repairs, and what you can check yourself without tools. The goal is simple: reduce risk, avoid unnecessary costs, and stay in control of your vehicle's stopping performance. Brake systems rely on controlled friction. Each time you press the pedal, brake pads clamp against a rotating disc, converting motion into heat. This process slowly removes material from the pads. Unlike engine issues, brake wear is predictable, but only if you know what signals to look for before performance drops below safe thresholds. One of the earliest indicators is sound. A high-pitched squeal during light braking is often intentional. Many pads include a small metal wear indicator designed to make noise when pad thickness drops to a minimum safe level. This is not a failure, it's an alert. Ignoring it turns a low-cost pad replacement into a higher-cost rotor repair. A grinding noise is different. This typically means the pad material is gone, and metal backing plates are contacting the rotor directly. At this stage, braking still occurs, but damage accelerates rapidly. The rotor surface becomes scored, reducing braking efficiency and increasing stopping distance under load. Pedal feel is another reliable signal. If the brake pedal feels softer than usual or travels farther before engaging, it may indicate worn pads or air in the hydraulic system. A firm, consistent pedal is the baseline. Any deviation, especially gradual, should be treated as a developing issue rather than normal variation. Vibration during braking often points to uneven rotor wear or heat distortion. This is commonly felt through the steering wheel at higher speeds. While it may seem like a minor annoyance, it reduces consistent contact between pad and rotor, lowering effective braking force when you need it most. Visual inspection is one of the most practical checks you can perform. Through most wheel designs, you can see the outer brake pad. If the visible friction material is less than roughly 3 mm thick, replacement is approaching. This quick check takes seconds and removes guesswork. Another overlooked sign is pulling during braking. If the vehicle drifts slightly left or right when you apply the brakes, it can indicate uneven pad wear or a sticking caliper. This creates imbalanced braking force across the axle, which can compromise control during sudden stops. Brake dust accumulation also provides clues. Dark residue on wheels is normal, but uneven buildup between sides can suggest uneven wear. If one wheel is significantly dirtier, that brake may be working harder or dragging compared to the others. A burning smell after normal driving conditions is not typical. Brakes generate heat, but persistent odor may indicate excessive friction, often caused by a seized caliper or constant pad contact. This condition accelerates wear and increases the risk of overheating under braking load. Dashboard warning lights should not be ignored. Modern vehicles often include brake wear sensors or fluid level monitors. While these systems vary by manufacturer, any brake-related warning is a prompt for immediate inspection rather than delayed attention. Brake fluid condition plays a supporting role. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture, lowering its boiling point. Under heavy braking, this can introduce vapor into the system, reducing pressure transmission. A simple fluid check, color and level, can reveal early degradation. Listen during different driving conditions. Light braking in traffic, moderate braking from speed, and downhill braking each stress the system differently. Subtle noises or changes may only appear under specific conditions, so varying your awareness improves detection. A practical habit: use a quiet environment for testing. In an empty parking lot, apply brakes gently and then more firmly. Without road noise or traffic distraction, small sounds and vibrations become easier to identify before they become obvious problems. Mileage intervals provide a general reference, but driving style matters more. Frequent stop-and-go driving wears pads faster than highway use. Aggressive braking generates more heat, accelerating wear and tear. Understanding your driving pattern gives better context than relying on averages. Weather conditions also influence wear. Wet environments can promote corrosion on rotors, especially if the vehicle sits unused. This may cause temporary noise, but persistent roughness suggests deeper surface damage requiring attention. Do not depend solely on the feeling of your brakes over time. Drivers often become accustomed to diminished brake performance. What seems normal now may actually be below the original performance level. Conducting objective checks, both visual and auditory, can help address this gradual decline. A useful technique is comparison. If you drive multiple vehicles, note differences in pedal response and stopping distance. This creates a mental baseline. Even subtle changes in your primary vehicle become easier to detect when you have a reference point. When replacing pads, always consider the condition of the rotors. Installing new pads on worn or uneven rotors reduces effectiveness and lifespan. Matching components ensures proper contact and consistent braking performance. Avoid delaying minor symptoms. Brake issues rarely improve on their own. Early intervention typically involves lower cost and minimal downtime. Waiting allows wear to spread to additional components, increasing both repair complexity and expense. If uncertain, a basic inspection at a trusted shop is low cost and quick. Asking for pad thickness measurements and rotor condition gives you concrete data rather than general advice. This helps you make informed decisions without guesswork. Consistency is the underlying principle. Consistent sounds, pedal feel, and stopping response indicate a healthy system. Inconsistency, no matter how small, is often the first indicator that wear is progressing unevenly or components are beginning to fail. Brakes are one of the few systems where early awareness directly impacts safety outcomes. Unlike many mechanical issues, the warning signs are accessible and observable without specialized tools. Paying attention is often enough to stay ahead of failure. Brake wear is not sudden, it's a process. Recognizing early signals, performing simple checks, and acting before performance declines allows you to maintain control, reduce repair costs, and extend component life. Small observations lead to better outcomes. Thanks for watching Everyday Explained. Stay aware, stay consistent, and treat your brakes as a system that rewards attention before it demands it.